Hey guys, this is John Watts. We are on part 10 of our video series of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and we will now look at Section 1692H, which is entitled Multiple Debts. We've been looking at some sections here that are pretty detailed, pretty long. This will be a nice break because it's pretty short and pretty straightforward. So 1692H is talking about when you as a consumer have multiple debts and then you make a payment. How does the debt collector treat that payment coming in? Can they split it up any way they want? Do they apply, if you got 3 debts and you pay $90, they put 30 on each debt, or is it proportionate to the amount? What do they do? Well, the law tells us if any consumer owes multiple debts and makes a single payment to a debt collector, such debt collector may not, so this is forbidding them, they may not apply such payment to any debt which is disputed by the consumer. So if I have 3 debts with Midland Funding, Midland Credit Management, and I pay $600, a single payment of $600 on those 3 debts, but I dispute one of the debts, well, they cannot apply a single dollar from that $600 to the disputed debt. It'd have to go to the debts which are not disputed. And then we go back to the statute. So it says, you cannot apply such payment to any debt which is disputed, and where applicable, shall apply such payment in accordance with the consumer's directions. So I might send in a single payment and say, I want this to all go to debt number 3. Well, the debt collector has to do that. They can't say, well, we want to put half of it on debt number 2. Or if I say, I want to split this up 50-50 between debt 2 and debt 3, they've got to do that. Or if I have 4 debts with the company and I say apply them equally, or apply $10, $10, $10, and $100. Whatever I tell them to do, they have to do, unless it's sort of crazy or it would just be really almost impossible for them to do. But it is not an excuse under this statute to say, well, that's not the easiest thing for us, or we would prefer to. See, that doesn't matter, Mr. Debt Collector. You've got to do what I tell you to do if I make a single payment and I have multiple debts. So that's really the whole section. We've had some of these where we have multiple slides. That is the entire section 1692H. I hope that this is helpful, and we will pick up with Part 11, which will be 1692I tomorrow. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. If by chance you have just come across this video and haven't watched the previous ones, you can find those on our channel. They'll be listed Part 1, Part 2, etc. And if you have not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe, and that way you'll get the new videos as they come out. Okay, appreciate it, and hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.